Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to use reverse blade rotation on your THERMOMIX TM6. In order to use reverse blade rotation, you will need to click on the speed selection dial, then click on this tiny button right here. Now the reverse mode is enabled. What the reverse mode does is it spins the blades in reverse in order to prevent from chopping things and from crushing, because it just works in reverse, so it stops food from being chopped or pureed, allowing you to gently stir, simmer or cook chunky ingredients safely, and that mode is mostly effective if you set the speed to some low values like the stir, the 0.5 or 1. Now I'll disable it. I personally also use it for crushing ice to just prevent the blades from getting dull, but I think the blades should survive it. I just use it myself on reverse. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.